Hi there everyone on YouTube, this is Geoff from geoffmobile.com. Today I'm here to unbox the Numatic James vacuum. So if you haven't heard of the Numatic vacuums, I'd like you to meet James. James is a cute vacuum that you can purchase. He's from England. He has an older brother named Henry, and there's also Hetty. And so James is a professional vacuum that is commonly used for cleaning hotels and office buildings. And I've seen James and Henry being used all over Vancouver by professional cleaners. So I've been really not very satisfied with vacuums such as Bissell, which have a pretty good warranty. Like the last Bissell I had a 6-year warranty, and I did have it for 6 years. But every year there would be something going wrong, like a piece of plastic would break and I would need to get a replacement part. And so I've decided to switch to a more reliable vacuum, such as this James vacuum we have here. So let me unbox it quickly and show you what's inside. So to open the top, I'm gonna just pull open these cardboard bits. Here. I'm not very good at unboxing things, so maybe a bit of a struggle for me to get this open. There we go. Oh. Go. James all the way from England. Oh. Okay. Voila. And you can see here, I've got lots of different parts. So first of all, what's very important is instructions on how to put on the cute face onto the vacuum. Comes with face, a little bit of instructions. This is actually rated for both household and commercial use. Here's the manual. Excellent. And what else have we got here? We've got some parts. Sorry, there's just a garbage truck downstairs. I've got different attachments for brushes and cleaning. Looks very handy. I've got, a nice vacuum head. Looks great. And I've got, a very nice looking cord or vacuum hose. And I've got the vacuum itself. This is the top part. And I've got the body and a bunch of different hoses. This looks like the part that you hold, the handle, the wand. And they give you one free vacuum bag, which is excellent. And you can't forget the cute face. Face is the best part, right? Let's see if I can put this face on. There we go, we got his eyes on. Cute little vacuum. And let's put on the bag. Actually, it gives you a spare bag, and there's also a bag already installed, which is perfect. So I'll just close that up. And this filter on there. That's the pre-motor filter. The actual vacuum itself is this unit here. Not too heavy. And how does it go on? So I think it can go on pretty much any way it wants, but I'm going to line up the word James with the front and push the clips. That clip just slided in. This clip also clipped in. The cord itself is very heavy duty. It's right here. They've taped it on a little bit, so just untape that. And this cord looks awesome. It's very sturdy. It's kind of like the kind of quality of cord you'd expect in a commercial vacuum. Very, very strong. So you're probably wondering, what does this vacuum sound like when we turn it on? So let's take out the piece here. Great. And this has got to be the wand, and this is the handle. You can screw on the hose. Looks great. So let's try it out. See how loud this one is. Actually, it's not very loud. Let's see. I'm not sure why. I was expecting the suction to be a bit more than that. Well, that seems to be working. I expected it to actually have more suction than that, but it seems to be working fine to vacuum things. So I'll be giving more posts about this vacuum in the future. It's very quiet, very light, easy to use. Oh, I know why it wasn't working. It wasn't actually clipped on. Here, let me try that again. Oh yeah, there we go. That's the suction. Now it's powerful. Now I got tons of suction. Oh yeah, that's amazing. All right, have a good day. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye for now.